You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Subaru Outback. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Get outside and explore in comfort in this feature-rich Outback. Rugged, safe, and built to last, this capable compact SUV is your reliable partner on every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, fog lamps, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Indulge your adventurous side in this well-equipped Outback. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.